Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, in this occasion I'm going to explain about the Wali Songo role in Indonesian Islamic civilization. Next slide. Nah, Wali Songo meaning. Guys, you have to know about this. On the second slide, that is Wali Songo are respected Islamic figures in Indonesia, especially on the island of Java. Then Wali Songo is the name of the council of a dakwah, or can be called preachers. And then every Wali Songo each has a unique role and method in the spread of Islam. Nah, so on this matter, Wali Songo is very instrumental for the people of Indonesia, especially in Java, because Wali Songo teach Islamic teaching in a way that can be understood and usually accepted by the society from Indonesia. Okay, and then on the third slide over here, there is a consult of mind Wali Songo. There is the first Wali Songo is Sunan Gresik by title Maulana Malik Ibrahim. The second, Sunan Ampel by title Raden Rahmat. The third of Sunan Bonang by title Raden Maulana Makhdum Ibrahim. The fourth of Sunan Derajat by title Raden Qasim. The fifth, Sunan Kudus by title Ja'far Shodiq. The sixth, Sunan Giri by title Ainul Yakin or Raden Paku. The seventh, Sunan Kalijaga by title Raden Mas Syahid. The eighth, Sunan Muria by title Raden Umar Said. The ninth, Sunan Gunung Jati by title Syarif Hidayatullah. And then the next slide. Nah, in the fourth slide, there is a method of the role and civilization of Islam in the Wali Songo era. That is, Wali Songo role came to Indonesia, especially in Java. The teachings of Islam became increasingly rapid. Wali Songo provides a change in civilization from a Hindu-Buddhist civilization. This can be seen from the architectural form of the mosque, the existence of Islamic boarding school, Javanese gamelan songs, and other things that support the existence of Islam civilization in Indonesia. Nah, again, the next slide. The next slide, the role and civilization of Islam by Wali Songo. Nah, on the sixth slide until last slide, explained about the role of Islamic civilization role by Wali Songo. The first Wali Songo is Sunan Gresik by title Maulana Malik Ibrahim. That is Sunan Gresik is famous as Sheikh Maghribi. Then preaching in Gresik is Java and its surroundings. Civilization influence among others are establishing a boarding school, then creating water for rice fields and fields with an irrigation system, and then trade basic necessities at low price, and then expert in the medicine or physician. The next slide. The second Wali Songo is Sunan Ampel by title Raden Maulana Mahdum Ibrahim. Over here explained about the son of Sheikh Ibrahim Samarkandi, then preaching in Ampel Denta village, Surabaya. Civilization influence among others are established a boarding school, then the designer of the Islamic Empire on the island of Java, and then contribute to the establishment of the Great Mosque of Demak. The next slide. The third Wali Songo is Sunan Bonang. The title Raden Maulana Mahdum Ibrahim. Over here explain about Sunan Bonang is the son of Sunan Ampel, then preaching in the Tuban area or the north coast of East Java. Civilization influence among others are the first, the creator of the first Gending. Second, establish a boarding school. The third, creating Durma songs. The last, changing Javanese gamelan, which is thick with Hindu aesthetics, into a new nuance gamelan with bonangan instrument. The next slide. Sunan Derajat by title Raden Kosim. For here explain about the Raden Kosim, the youngest son of Sunan Ampel, then preaching in the Jela or Banjaran Anyar area. Now Derajat village, Pasirian district in Lamongan. Civilization influence among others are first, Macapat songs creator. Second, Singo Mengok gamelan creator. The third, establish a boarding school. The last, introduction to dakwah with the concept of bil hikam. Next slide. Sunan Kudus by title Ja'far Shadiq Asma Asmahan. Okay, for here explain about the Said Ja'far Shadiq, son of Sunan Ngudung, then preaching in the Kudus area, Central Java. Civilization influence among others are combining old customs that are difficult to change with Islamic teachings. Second, allowing Mythonic salvation by reading the history of the prophet. The third, established Al-Manar Mosque. The last, creating the religious story that is a Gending, Makumambang, and Mijil. The next slide, Sunan Giri by title Ainul Yaqin. For here explain about the Raden Paku, son of Maulana Ishaq and Dewi Sekar Dadu, daughter of King Manasamboja. Then preaching in the Giri area, Gresik, East Java. Civilization influence amongst others are the first Islamic boarding school. The second, creating various songs for children. The third, creating song for adults. The last, contribute to the establishment of the Great Mosque of Demak. Next slide, Sunan Kalijaga by title Raden Mas Syahid. For here explain about the Sunan Kalijaga, son of Raden Sahur, the 5111 or 8th Duke of Tuban, preaching in the area of the Sultanate. Civilization influence amongst others are: the first is play a role in Islamic teachings through art and culture, combining Arabic culture with Indonesian culture. The last is take an active role in the glory of the Kingdom of Demak. The next slide. Nah, Sunan Muria by title Raden Umar Said. For here explain about the Raden Prawoto, the first son of Sunan Kalijaga, then preaching in rural areas on the slopes of Mount Muria. Civilization influence among others are: the first, songwriter Sinom and Kinanti. Second, inherit the tradition of preaching through art. The last, be a pioneer of natural stability. The last slide of Sunan Gunung Jati by title Syarif Hidayatullah. Over here explain about the Sunan Gunung Jati is married to a Chinese princess named Ong Tin or Nyai Ratu Rara Semanding. Then preaching in the Pasumbangan area, Gunung Jati, Cirebon. Civilization influence among others are the first opened the practice of Chinese herbal medicine. Second, built a boarding school. The third, established the great mosque of Sang Cipta Rasa. The last has great influence in the kingdom of Demak. Thanks for everything. Nah, over here, I'm going to explain. There is a conclusion from this PPT. That is Wali Songo influence and change civilization from Hindu Buddhist to Islam through trade, education, politics, art, and marriage. Like that. Okay, I think enough from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.